There are about 40 million grandparents in the United Kingdom. 1 in 3 people over 50 years of age are grandparents. It is estimated that 1 in 3 working mothers look to grandparents for help with childcare. It is also estimated that about 2/3 of all grandparents are involved in some kind of childcare on a regular basis. This means that grandparents are often important figures in the lives of their grandchildren. If you've been involved in the school run, you can't help noticing how many grandparents are active in dropping off and collecting their grandchildren from school. When relationship breakdown happens within a family, it is often the grandchildren and their grandparents who suffer on separation. When faced with this situation, a grandparent will often ask, "Where do I stand on this? What are the grandparents' rights?" With so much conflict and emotional distress to deal with, it's often difficult for grandparents to know where to start in terms of maintaining or re-establishing contact with their grandchildren. Looking now at the discharge or variation of a special guardianship order. Unlike an adoption order, the court may vary or discharge a special guardianship order. However, an application to discharge the order cannot be made by certain people unless the court has given them permission to do so. These people include the child concerned, provided they have sufficient understanding of the proposed application, of course, a parent or guardian, a step-parent who has parental responsibility under Section 4A of the Children Act, any other person who has parental responsibility for the child immediately before the special guardianship order was made. So parents who wish to apply to discharge a special guardianship order to recover the care of the child must obtain the court's permission. And that situation is occurring more and more. And the longer a special guardianship has been in place, the greater possibility there is of a parent coming back to the court and saying, "My circumstances have changed. I now want to retrieve my previous situation, care for the child in place of the grandparent."